G'day, welcome back to another episode of Larrikin Japan. If you watched the last video, we were having a look at that old Suzuki and I said there's a place called Jimny Land. This is it. So there are all these old types. So this one here, it's 10 grand. Oh, so about a bit over 11 grand. Now there are all these real old ones, you know. This one here, she's going to run you about 14 grand. This one here, about 9 grand. So they're all these old. Now this one's really old. It's, 61. So that's Showa 61. So then you got 30. So it's probably about 40 years old, this thing. It's about 40 years old. But look at this, all the paint's all peeling off. So yeah, the one up the back's all sort of done up. So this is how a lot of them, they do them up, a bit like this one at the back. They jack them right up, put the big springs all underneath them, the wheels and that. This one's got a bit of damage on him. But, oh yeah, she's as rough as a stucco bath. But look how they've done the flares. Jeez, unbelievable. You wouldn't want to get hit with that, it would rip you to pieces. But yeah, Ray's Garage, yeah. So they're like this. But they go in for these old ones. They like these old ones. And yeah, they do them up. They jack them up, put the wheels on them and everything. This one's like a ute. She's a bit like a ute. It's got spider webs growing on it. But yeah. Yeah, so they put the exhausts and everything. They sort of work them up. Yeah, this one they've started to do him. He's sort of jacked a little bit. But they get right into these old ones. This one's got like checker plate on it. Yeah, they get right into them. So he's got all these old ones, you know. Yeah, these are all, the 660s are all like K cars. This one's got a lot of rust in it. Geez, you can see all the rust here. But yeah, they get right into them. It's a real bit of a cult sort of following with these old ones. They really get into them. This blue one's not a bad sort of, he's not too bad. I think it's not, it's got a bit of flares. They put the flares on. It's a bit done a bit decent, you know. It's auto. Yeah. But yeah, they're pretty plain. Yeah, that's sort of not a bad one actually. But now, you know, they've got all the new shapes. This guy, he doesn't run the new shapes. He runs all these old ones. Look at this one here. She got more checker plate up the side of it than you can poke a stick at. You know, I really don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, she's pretty rough. Oh, spider webs everywhere here. This one here, it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. She's auto too. A lot of autos. Yeah. But some of them are as rough as anything. There's another ute over there. So yeah, you got a lot of them. This is sort of, they sort of customized it to look a bit like an old Willie's Jeep. Yeah. He's got a security camera. Anyway, this one there. See, they got the shovel on the back and that sort of thing. But its bodywork's as rough as anything on it. It's really rough. Yeah, well, they get right into them. It's a real cult following these Jimnys. Anyway, That's it, just a bit of a look about these Jimneys. This one's got flat tyres and that. I don't know how much business he does, this fella. That one there, it's got no engine or anything in, it's all opened up. So yeah, they've got a security camera. I tripped it. He's closed, so it tripped it. So it's told me they got the security camera and that sort of thing. So yeah, a lot of them have got flat tyres. I don't know. What do you reckon? Would you pay 10 grand for some of these? Don't know. I don't think I would be. Anyway, that's it for today. Just a little bit of a look at this Jimny following. The next time, have a good one.